Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks tech and fun stuff. Hey, listen, it's coming that time again for summertime and camping, maybe going out by the pool. And I was looking for something that could project movies and stuff so when the kids were out, we could put it outside. And so what I came up with was the Apeman model number LC450 projector. And we're going to take a look at that today, take a first look and give you my thoughts about it. So we're going to review that today. Stay tuned. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you think this, and if you have one of these, put it in the comments. Let me know what you think. So let's get to that right now. So let's unbox it, take a look at it, and see what we got, what it came with. Now, I'm pretty excited about this because the Apeman products, I have a couple already. I have the dash cam and a few other of their products, and I am very, very, very satisfied with their being well made, being working well. So my first thing, look, small, compact. So if you're going on a camping trip, that's just the way to do it. And I'm easy carry handle. Large lens. Cooling. Focus. On off. And in the back here, got supply. You have HDMI, USB, and another port. Supposedly has built-in speakers. So let's look at what comes with it. HDMI cable. Okay, we got some cleaner for the lens. We have your power supply, AC. You have some audio-visual cable, HDMI cable, and a remote control, which makes this fantastic. So you can stop, frame, things of this nature. So for this purpose, I just connected it to a computer, HDMI. Forgive the background noise. We have somebody doing a lawnmower out there, and don't have control. But I put it up against my wall, and right now, with what is going on right now, I'm connected it to my computer. It is doing a great job of displaying it in a room where there's ambient sunlight coming in, so it is excellent for that. So far, this is a pretty nice little unit. I've hooked it up and been able to connect it to my laptop. I can connect it to my my cell phone, to a USB connector. Now, it is AC powered. It does come with the remote control. The sound for the coming out of the unit itself is not as loud as I would have liked it, but it is good. But it does have an output for exterior speakers. So if you connect this to some exterior speakers, and considering the clarity of the image and the distance that you can put up, I think you're going to be doing great. Let me go on with some more things. So let's sum up this product, and that's basically, it is very compact. It has the 1/4 inch mounting which allows you to connect it to a tripod or any other common 1/4 inch mount connector. You could hang it, which is great when you're out in the yard. If you happen to have a plant hanger or something and you want to hang it up, that's going to be really, really good. The focus is excellent. I tried it in the house, in a bright room, and the image on the wall, on a tan wall, was excellent. So I give you that. Now, the AC is AC in. I don't know whether Apeman sells an adapter which you can plug to a DC power source, but it would be a nice add-on. The USB socket, which I was able to connect to my tablet and my phone, that is a great advantage. It does not come with the cables, but I use a standard USB to the tablet connector, and it worked fine. The HDMI port, which I was able to connect to my laptop, Windows 10 discovered it great. And over here you have an AV in, aux out, which you can supposedly connect speakers to it, or a set of headphones. So all in all, this is an excellent product. I can't put anything bad about it. Well, the only thing I say that I could say would be better would be that with the remote control they could have given me the batteries, but that's neither here nor there. So this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech out. I hope this has been helpful for you. This is the Apeman review. I have been using Apeman products for some time now, and every Apeman product that I've bought, I've never been disappointed. So put it in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. Do you have one of these? Have you used Apeman products? And what Apeman product would you like me to review? And hey, Apeman, this is a shout out. If you happen to want me to do some reviews for you, let me know. Put it in the comments. Put it on my email. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.